Each zodiac sign has different traits. Let's find out through this video who are you according to your sun sign. Aries. You are too confident to face the world. Taurus. You are too sincere to run away from your responsibility. Gemini. You are too intelligent to solve any problem. Cancer. You are too loyal to break anyone's trust. Leo. You are too wise to solve any riddle quickly. Virgo. You are too perfect to find any imperfection easily. Libra. You are too balanced to disbalance your life. Scorpio. You are too smart to turn the situation around. Sagittarius. You are too hardworking to go beyond the limits. Capricorn. You are too independent to lead your life on your own terms. Aquarius. You are too brave to handle any problem. Pisces. You are too generous to do selfish things. Hope you like this video. Follow Astrotalk for more videos like this.